Hey everyone, this is Aarti. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ace English Academy. In this channel, I will be sharing videos on the basics of English grammar. My videos will help you to improve your grammatic skills, as I have designed each video to help you to use English effectively. And if you like my videos, please like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Keep supporting, keep watching my videos. So let's start.
Today's topic is interjections and its types. We will discuss all about the interjections and all its types in detail in this video. As we have learned that there are 8 parts of speech, and interjection is the 8th last part of speech we are going to learn about today. And we have already learnt about the nouns, pronouns, verbs, prepositions, conjunctions, adjectives, and adverbs. And today we will learn in detail with the help of examples what are interjections. So let's start now. So what are interjections? Interjections are words or phrases that express emotions. We might use an interjection to express surprise, confusion, or outrage, or we can say that they're the forms of words which help us to express our feelings, and they make our sentences or our expressions more expressive. So here are few interjections. We hear hey, well, ouch, oh, yay, hooray, wow, hi. So all these are interjections. So here are few example sentences of interjections you can see here. First sentence, oh, what a lovely surprise. So here this oh is telling us about the surprise. Hooray! Coming to the second sentence, hooray! It is the summer holidays. So pleasure, it tells us about the pleasure. Coming to third sentence, ouch or oh. All these two words, they express pain. I just stepped on a pin. Ouch, I just stepped on a pin. So fourth sentence, ugh, I hate mice. So this expresses disgust. Coming to fifth sentence, oh no, the car won't start. So slight shock or disappointment. Phew, I have finished that essay at last. So the leaf, wow, you look great in that dress. So admiration. Next sentence, oops, I have just spilled some coffee. So mistake. Yippee, we are going to the beach. So for excitement. So these are few expressions, and for those expressions we use words like oh, hooray, ouch, ugh, oh no, many more are there. So these are all called interjections. Clear? You can see here is one chart where there are smileys, and these smileys will help you to understand all the interjection words. See here, ouch, yep, oh, hey, oh no, shh, and the all these aha. So all these are interjections. So let's understand now a few types of interjections. See here, to express joy, to express grief, to express surprise, to express consent, to express mistake. So on the basis of feelings, or we can say expression, we have I have just uh, divided these interjections into these 5 main types. See here, some of the feelings expressed by interjections are, see here. So the first type is to express joy. Oh, wow, wow, thanks, hooray. These words help us to tell us about the expression of joy. So here are few sentences also. Hooray, we have won the prize. Wow, what a cute baby. So these are two sentences. Next type, that is to express grief. Oh God, oh no, how sad it is. Oh sadness, alas. So they can be, these interjections can be in the form of one word as well as in the form of phrases. And as I have already told you all about the phrases, so this oh sad it is, this is a phrase. Okay. So first sentence here, alas, alas, I am undone. One more sentence. Oh God, you came back again. So to express grief. Next type, to express surprise. See here. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Is it amazing? Fantastic. What? So all these are used to express surprise. And here are two sentences also. Wow, what a handsome boy. Amazing. You have technique. So coming to the next type, that is to express consent. Consent means to express when we ask, request, or we when take permission to do something before doing anything. So that is kind of consent. See here, please, absolutely, well done, sure, really. So all these words help us to express consent. Coming to the examples now, see here. Well done, you have done good deed. Really? She's coming to India? So these are the words which are used to express consent. Next type, to express mistake, we use such words like no, oh no, oh, oh my god. So see here, oh my god, this can be used in different expressions. Just depends how you, what are your feelings. So that matters here. See, here are two sentences. Oh my God, what did you do? So, no, don't make this mistake again. So, interjections can be used to express mistakes also. So, see here, there are some important points related to interjections. So, let's discuss what are these important points. See here, the first point. You can use parts of speech like noun, verb, or an adverb as an interjection. Clear? Interjection are not connected to rest of the sentence. How? See here example. Yeah, that tastes awful. So here the word yuck is interjection, and this word yuck here is the feeling of a person. Okay, that makes the sentence more expressive. Otherwise, if we see the sentence without this word, if we remove the word yuck, that tastes awful is also telling us about the feelings of a person, but the word yuck here make it more expressive. Otherwise, that taste awful is grammatically correct sentence. So they are not connected to the rest of the sentence. You may use interjections in casual and in creative writing, whereas you should not, see here, you should not use interjections in formal writing like book report, or if we talk about the research paper. So you cannot use, or you must not use interjections for the formal writings. You can use them for the casual and creative writing. So these are some important things you should keep in mind about the interjections. So this was all about the interjections and its types. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Ace English Academy.